The July 9th to 10th outage, a 36-hour global failure, where 1 in 3 people couldn't access their email. Why did it happen, and how can you fight back? This is Dig Tech. Within hours, 62% of users reported problems logging in. Microsoft blamed an issue with its authentication infrastructure and deployed a fix, but only slowly. As of July 11th, 11 a.m. UTC, service was restored, but not before causing chaos and panic. On July, at 10:20 UTC, Outlook began failing globally across web, desktop, and mobile. Use a backup email like Gmail. For important information, switch to IMAP or POP manually clear. Cache login or have an offline PST backup or email archive ready? Then in mid-May, another failed patch knocked the service offline. And this isn't the first time. On July, social media, no calendars, no mail, just panic. So what went wrong? According to Microsoft, a bad rollout of authentication tokens and another code update. For Microsoft, it means pressure to reinforce its systems. For everyone, it's a reminder not to depend on one service for everything. These are highly fragile systems, and when they break, they go global. There's no fallback, there's no redundancy. How to stay functional when Outlook goes down? For you, it means interruptions, missed invites, and lost work. Subscribe for more hard tech truths. This is Dig Tech.